Hello everyone, this is Deepthi Reddy from Excel Logics. In this video, let us discuss how to calculate tax. Here I have some tax slab rates and here I have some employee salaries per annum. Now I want to display how much tax they pay to their salary. If they are earning less than 2.5 lakh, no need to pay tax. If a person is earning 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, 10% tax. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, he should pay 20% tax, and greater than 10 lakh, he should pay 30% tax. Now suppose if a person is earning 3 lakh per annum, 3 lakh is between 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh. So he should pay 10% tax. But he pays 10% tax only for above 2.5 lakh because till 2.5 lakh, no need to pay tax. So from this amount, remove 2,50,000, and for remaining amount means only for 50,000 he pays 10%, means he pays only 5,000 tax. If a person is earning 7 lakh per annum, means between 5 lakh to 10 lakh, he should pay 20% tax. Again he pays 20% tax only for above 5 lakh amount. So from this amount, remove 5 lakh. And for remaining amount, he pays 20%. Plus, again in this 5 lakh, he should pay 10% for 2.5 lakh, and for 2.5 lakh, no need to pay tax. So 2,50,000 into 10%. If a person is earning 11 lakh per annum, means above 10 lakh, he should pay 30% tax for above 10 lakh amount. So from this amount, we remove 10 lakh. For remaining 1 lakh, he pays 30%. Plus, again in this 10 lakh, for 5 lakh, he should pay 20%, and for 2.5 lakh, he should pay 10%. 5 lakh into 20% plus 2,50,000 into 10%. In this way, we calculate tax. Now, I want this entire calculation in a single cell. I want calculation based on condition. If a person is getting 2.5 lakh, no need to pay tax. If he is earning 2.5 to 5 lakh, we should perform this calculation. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, this calculation, and 10 lakh and greater than 10 lakh, this calculation. So based on condition, we should perform a calculation. So we go with if condition. If salary is less than 2,50,000, no need to pay tax. If a person is getting between 2.5 to 5 lakh, if he is earning 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, means less than or equals to 5 lakh. Then from that amount, we remove 2,50,000 because for 2,50,000, no need to pay tax, and for remaining amount, he pays 10% tax. Comma, if a person is earning 5 lakh to 10 lakh, means less than or equals to 10 lakh. From that amount, we remove 5 lakh into 20%. Plus again in this 5 lakh, for 2.5 lakh, he should pay 10%. Otherwise, means if a person is earning greater than 10 lakh, no need to write a condition. We can directly perform a calculation here for last statement. Remove 10 lakh. And for remaining amount, he pays 30%. Plus again in this 10 lakh, for 5 lakh, he should pay 20%. And for remaining 2,50,000, 10%. Close all if condition bracket. Now shift down arrow to select, and control D is for downside fill. In this way, we calculate tax. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.